Hello guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. So today's video is going to be about anchoring furniture to the wall for the safety of your kid. Recently my son got crushed by this. So I wouldn't say crushed, he was playing with it. It's a little shoe thing that we have here along the wall to put our shoes in when we get in the house. And he was pulling on it and it fell on him, and now it's getting to where he's climbing on everything. So it's now my responsibility to make sure it doesn't happen. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys who are dealing with the same thing, who has a 2-year-old, maybe 3-year-old that likes to climb on things. And if you wanted to go ahead and secure some furniture to the wall, I'm gonna teach you how to do that too for yourself. So just hang on back. First you need to get yourself one of these like L brackets. There are a different variety of them. You can get them from Home Depot, Lowe's. As long as it's shaped like an L, you can use it for this particular purpose. You'll also need a nice anchor. My favorite anchor, again, I have another video that I go through the different uses that I do use these for, and this is one of the uses. So I'm gonna go ahead and anchor this to the wall. So the first step is to pretty much find a space that you want to go ahead and anchor your item. And in this instance, I'm gonna go ahead and anchor it right here. So what you do is mount the bracket to the piece of furniture. Okay. Once you've put this bracket on, the next thing to do is screw that portion right here to the wall. But before that, you want to make sure that you mark exactly where you're going to have your item mounted. So you can go ahead and put your anchor mark right there. Just going to go ahead and mark that right here. So I got my little mark made right here with my key. Yeah, use anything. Use your trusty anchor, self-drilling. Bracket, screw. All right, so now you're done. Your child could tug and pull. It's not coming down.